welcome to Rising 8 Minis. My name's James. So in this video we're going to cover painting the armour. So we're going to paint non-metallic metals, or NMM. This isn't the scary kind of NMM, this is the easy kind, the step-by-step kind. So stick with me and I'll walk you through. The main aim here is to tell you to have a go, and to tell you a secret. It's just paint on plastic. So with that said, give that like button a little boop, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. So that's it. Easy, wasn't it? If you like this video, you'll probably like the base video I put out last week too, because that's where I made the mock-up for the video for this model. So go and click somewhere and yeah, enjoy that one too. If you go to the channel as well, you'll be able to find a short which specifically details how to make this base. If you haven't already, give the video a boop on the like button, subscribe, and remember, humans need fantasy to be the place where the falling angel meets the rising ape. See you next time.